If you've been wondering how to use Descript's speech-to-text tool, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through the process of transcribing audio to text in Descript, showing you exactly how to get started. Stick around to the end because I'll share how you can use this software for free with some exclusive bonuses, so make sure to watch till the end. Descript's speech-to-text tool is an incredibly powerful tool for anyone who works with audio or video content. Whether you're transcribing interviews, podcasts, or YouTube videos, Descript simplifies the process with its accurate transcription capabilities. The first step is signing up for an account on Descript's website. It's super easy, and once you're in, you'll be able to upload your audio or video files for transcription. Once your file is uploaded, the tool automatically starts transcribing it. You can watch the progress bar as the software works its magic. Descript uses advanced AI to turn your audio into text, and the result is usually pretty accurate. Of course, if you have a file with a lot of background noise or accents, you may need to tweak a few things, but Descript makes it really simple to correct mistakes. Now let's talk about editing. Once the transcription is complete, you can edit the text directly in Descript. You don't have to manually adjust timestamps or mess with complicated settings. The platform allows you to click directly on any part of the transcript and change it as needed. You can even delete or reorder sentences, making it easy to refine your content without having to go back to the original file. One of the standout features of Descript's speech-to-text tool is its ability to create captions. You can instantly generate captions for your videos, making your content more accessible. This is perfect for YouTubers, content creators, or anyone who wants to enhance their audience's experience. And once the captions are generated, you can export them in different formats like SRT or VTT, or even add them directly to the video within Descript. Another key feature is the ability to share and collaborate on projects. If you're working with a team, you can easily invite others to view and edit the project. This makes Descript an excellent choice for businesses or creators who need to collaborate on transcription tasks quickly. So, if you're new to Descript, it's definitely worth exploring its speech-to-text tool. It saves you time, improves accuracy, and offers a ton of editing flexibility. Plus, with its ability to create captions, collaborate with teams, and integrate with other tools, Descript is a game changer for anyone involved in content creation. And remember, you can use Descript completely for free with our exclusive bonuses by clicking the first link below. Not only will you get the full experience of this amazing software, but you'll also unlock some added perks that you won't find anywhere else. To recap, Descript's speech-to-text tool is an easy-to-use and powerful solution for transcribing audio and video. The AI-powered transcription, editing features, and captioning options make it perfect for anyone who creates content. So, what are you waiting for? Click that link and start your free trial today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the description for that exclusive extended free trial.